Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to disable your two-step verification on your WhatsApp. If you are enable two-step verification and if you don't want to continue with the option, how to disable that one I will be seeing in this video. Let's see. Going into WhatsApp. After going into WhatsApp, just go to three dots, go to settings. If you're going to settings, you'll find your account here. Click on that one. If you're going to account, you'll be having an option two-step verification. Just click on this, and if you observe, there will be a clear option for disable two-step verification process, or otherwise you can change pin, you can add email address here. Just I don't want to continue with this option, I'm just disabling this two-step verification process. Just tap on this one. Will ask you if you want to yes, disable, I don't want, disable. That's all. My two-step verification is disabled successfully. From now onwards, I don't want any two-step verification, so I changed it. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content.